Ready to launch your voice and connect with a community? Let's build your first newsletter on Beehiiv. Step by step, start by heading to Beehiiv.com and clicking that Get Started for Free button. We're going to set up your publication from the ground up. First, choose a username that represents you or your brand. This will be part of your newsletter's web address next. Let's give your publication a catchy name. Think about what will grab your readers' attention. Now, let's craft a compelling description. This is your elevator pitch. What will subscribers find in your newsletter? After that, select your main topic. Beehiiv uses this to help you find your audience. Once your basic information is in, you'll land on your Beehiiv dashboard. This is your control center. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Within Settings, navigate to the Publication tab here. You can upload your logo, a visual representation of your brand then. Write a short bio that tells people a little more about you or your newsletter's mission. Let's dive into creating your first newsletter post. On the left menu, click New Post. This opens up the Beehiiv editor, a clean and intuitive space for your content. Start with a captivating headline for your first email then. Use the editor to write your message. You can add text, insert images, and even create links to share valuable resources with your readers. Don't forget to add a compelling call to action at the end. What do you want your readers to do next? This could be to reply to the email, visit a link, or share your newsletter. Before sending, preview your newsletter to ensure everything looks perfect then. Hit Schedule or Send Now to launch your very first Beehiiv newsletter and start connecting with your audience. Congratulations on taking this exciting first step into publishing.